Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be introducing you to JavaScript functions. Functions are a way of packaging functionality that you wish to reuse. So a function basically can refer to a block or a piece of code that is designed to perform a particular task. A JavaScript function is executed when something invokes it. By invoke, I mean calls it. So in order to activate a function after it has been created, you need to invoke it or call it. And usually you do that by its name. JavaScript has many built-in functions that you can use. A very popular one is the alert, which enables you to create pop-up box messages. JavaScript also enables you to create your own functions. And the way you create your own functions in JavaScript is by using the function keyword. Functions often takes arguments. Arguments are bits of data that the functions need in order to perform or do their jobs. And these arguments are placed inside parentheses, which are separated by commas if there are more than one argument. So inside my console, I have created a function. And the way you create a function, you basically have to type in the keyword function followed by the name you want to call the function. When you're creating function, it's very nice to name your functions as closely as possible to the task that the function is meant to perform. See, my function, I've called it add num, which indicates that this function is going to be used to add numbers together. So when you create a function, you first of all have to type in the word function followed by a space, then the name of the function, and then you have to have parentheses. Sometimes the parentheses can be empty, but you must have that in order to create a function. And then if you've got any arguments, you pass that argument inside the parentheses. If there's more than one argument, you separate them by a comma. You can see here num1 is an argument, num2 is referred to as an argument. And once you specify the arguments, if there are any, inside the parentheses, and then you have this curly braces. You've got the opening curly braces here and the closing curly braces. And inside, in between the curly braces, is the block of code that has to be executed when the function is invoked or called. Notice here I've also got a return statement here. Basically, the return statement tells the browser to return the result variable.